In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks tutorial, Invoicing Customers in QuickBooks Online. Creating and managing invoices is a crucial part of running any business, and QuickBooks Online makes it simple and efficient. Whether you're billing for products, services, or both, you can create professional, accurate invoices in just a few steps. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, or if you're looking to enhance your skills, this tutorial will guide you through the entire process from start to finish. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link provided in the description to sign up and get started. Let's dive in. The first thing you need to do is click the New button. You'll find it at the top left corner of your QuickBooks Online screen. This button is your gateway to creating various types of transactions, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on invoices. Once you've clicked New, a menu will appear with several options. From here, select Invoice. This will open a new invoice form where you can start entering all the details for your customer. Next, in the customer field, type in your customer's name. If this is a returning customer whose information is already saved in QuickBooks, you'll see their name appear in a drop-down list. Simply select their name from the list. If it's a new customer, you'll need to type in their details manually, like their name, email address, or any other relevant information. Now it's time to add the products or services you're billing for. QuickBooks Online makes this easy with the products and services list. Just start typing the name of the product or service, and if it's already saved in your list, it will pop up for you to select. If it's something new, you can manually add it right here. For each line item, make sure to enter the correct quantities, rates, and amounts. Double check that everything matches what you're charging the customer. It's also a good idea to include clear and detailed descriptions for each product or service. This helps avoid confusion and ensures the invoice is clear to your customer. Take a moment to review the invoice date, which is typically set to the current date by default. If you need to backdate or adjust it, you can do that here. Then look at the total at the bottom of the invoice. Make sure the sum reflects the correct amount after all items, taxes, or discounts have been applied. Once you've entered all the details, it's important to carefully review everything. Check the spelling of your customer's name, verify quantities and rates, and ensure that all prices are accurate. This is your final chance to catch any errors before saving the invoice. When you're satisfied that everything looks correct, click Save and Close. This will record the invoice in your QuickBooks Online system. If you ever need to review, update, or check the status of the invoice later, you can easily locate it in your list of invoices. QuickBooks organizes all your transactions, making it simple to track payments and outstanding balances. And that's it. You've successfully created an invoice in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.